My sister called me the other day and she said, Trey, I need a website. Now, the old me would have told her it might have cost thousands of dollars and it would have taken weeks and that maybe she would even have to hire an agency. But we don't operate like that anymore. So I told her, give me 20 minutes. And in this video, I'm not talking about theory. I'm going to actually show you how I use Google Gemini to vibe code a fully functioning website for her brand from scratch. And this is without writing any code myself. Hey execs, it's your boy Trey Cooper, and welcome back to the C-Suites. A lot of you ask me, Trey, is vibe coding actually useful for real life, or is it just for tech demos? So today we answer that. I'm gonna take you behind the scenes of a real build. So you'll see how I prompt Gemini and how I handle the design, and from how we go from idea to website faster than you could even order pizza. So if you have a business idea or a family member that needs help, this is the video for you. So let's build. So I've started building a website for my sister. It's loading right now. Okay, so I made a website for my sister, and her brand is Clicking with Carissa, and she has a photography business. So I did basically backcoded the whole website from her old website. This was her old website, she built it on Canva, which is great. Nice little pictures, basically what I did was take that website and put it into here, and that's what we got. Same little pictures, truly loved it, vibe, that camera, recent shoot, and it even breaks it down like if it's for graduation, theater, portrait, photo shoot plans, and even if you go to reserve a date, let's see, you'll pick a date, and you can even pick a date, put a card number in, and pay, all with just a little code. Let's create business hours and even light and dark mode. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to take this code into Antigravity. So I'm gonna just basically, can you create me a index folder so I could take the code and put it into Antigravity, Google's Antigravity. So now we're in Google, I'll go back. Now we're in Google's Antigravity. So I already have some folders, and I even already have Claude Code set up. But if you need to set up Claude Code, what you would do is go to extensions, look up Claude Code, and it would be right up there. And I'll restart the extension for you guys. Boom. And here I'll just create another new folder. This is going to be okay, so we're going to be working in this Carissa's website folder, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it, I'm going to do a plan first, and then I'm going to push it to GitHub, and I'm going to send it to it right here on live, copy and paste everything. Created a website for my sister's photography. I already used Google's Gemini to help me get pretty much everything spun up. Can you read through the code, make sure everything looks good and that there is no security issues, and then help me push this to GitHub and then make it accessible online so I could send this out to her. I will also be providing the code. Let it do its thing. And so yeah, while you let it do its thing, I'll come right back. Probably going to give me an error because I didn't log on to GitHub from here, so it'll just tell me to make a GitHub and I'll push it through. Also, in the meantime, what I wanted to do as well was, so I found some skills websites that I could give to my Claude Code and have it, have better skills and see what the outcome is as well. So I'm just going to copy and paste this one in here, and I was looking at some other ones as well. Also, I found a GitHub repository for some website skills. Use these as necessary to optimize the website, but still keep it. Okay, so we're actually almost done. Went through everything, gave me all the files, GitHub authentication, it's already ready to go. I want to host this on Netlify first, and then, so I wanted to push to GitHub and then host on Netlify. Okay, this looks good. I want to post it first on GitHub and then have Netlify host the website. And also, since I already gave it the skills, it used the skills and asked me what I wanted it to do, and it went through, debugged everything, found issues, index, verify light and dark mode, test it, let's do it, and I'll put it on bypass permissions. Let's see what we got. Now it's just setting it up, and it'll let me know when it's ready to go. And then we can look at it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh wow, this is even better when it did this. Let's create Cash App, then
Okay. There's a little bit of work to do, but pretty good. And it's already up and running.